Welcome to Connect BK Speak.
I am Maya. Next year, I will visit a new country. I will travel to Japan with my best friend Lisa. We will plan our trip carefully. We will book our flights and hotels in advance. When we reach Japan, we will explore Tokyo first. We will visit famous places like the Tokyo Tower and the Shibuya crossing. We will take many pictures and make amazing memories. Lisa and I will also try Japanese food. We will eat sushi, ramen, and tempura. We will visit local markets and taste different street foods. The flavors will surprise us and we will enjoy every bite. After Tokyo, we will travel to Kyoto. We will visit ancient temples and beautiful gardens. We will walk through the bamboo forest and take a boat ride on the river. The natural beauty will amaze us. In Kyoto, we will wear traditional Japanese kimonos. We will visit a tea house and learn about the Japanese tea ceremony. We will drink green tea and relax in the peaceful atmosphere. Lisa and I will also visit Mount Fuji. We will hike part of the mountain and enjoy the breathtaking views. We will take pictures of the snow capped peak and the surrounding nature. Our trip will also include a visit to Hiroshima. We will learn about the history of the city and visit the Peace Memorial Park. We will pay our respects and reflect on the past. Throughout our trip, we will meet new people and make friends. We will learn about Japanese culture and traditions. We will try to learn some basic Japanese phrases to communicate better. At the end of our trip, we will feel grateful for the experiences. We will return home with wonderful memories and stories to share. Our trip to Japan will be a journey we will never forget. If there are any words whose meanings you don't know, please write them in the comments below. I'll be happy to explain to you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting stories and vocabulary lessons. See you in the next video.